I'm adding a new limitation to myself because these limitations have been ridiculously easy. The first one being no socials, which is almost 9 months in. The second one being the only beverages I can have is water, coffee, or tea. Now, I'm getting rid of porn. Getting rid of porn and masturbation entirely. Enough said. Let's get into the trading recap. Whoa, it's not a trading recap. This is a backtest session because I just had an idea. So, we're going to go put that into play. It worked today, and I'll show you exactly what it is. This here. So, today we had a trade on NQ. I posted a recap, but it's very inaudible. So, I'm going to explain the trade here. So, basically, we touched into a 1 hour fair value gap. We swept. There's a bunch of 1 hour lows along here. We swept all those, touched into a 1 hour fair value gap. Broke structure and invalidated this fair value gap on the 15 minute because we had mixed bias, so we're trading in the 15 minute, not the 5 minute. We then retested the 15 minute fair value gap, inverse fair value gap, bullish candle, closing out. Pretty straightforward. Take profit one hit, and then I got fucked over by TradeEvade because I tried to move my stops to break even, and that wasn't working. It just wouldn't work. It said couldn't modify order, so I was like, right, I'm not gonna worry about that. I'll just set a sell order at break even so that if it does come back, like I'm essentially creating my own stop loss. And the second I clicked set, it just sold everything I had. So it fucked me out of my trade. But that was it. That was it. Second take profit got hit, and price sort of just died down from there. So, did everything I could. Everything went right. I just got fucked over. That's the game. Here we have the entry on the 15 minute right here, and then we had only entered once, but I marked out possible re-entries. This one here being a 5 minute because you can't really see, but the candle touched into this 5 minute fair value gap. This was trading with momentum. So we didn't catch the breaker structure in the first confluence and then the move. That was at the 15 minute. And now scaled to the 5 minute. I didn't actually do this, by the way. I'm just saying, theoretically, I would have scaled to the 5 minute. Bang. We see a fair value gap, 5 minute, retest, bullish candle out, enter. Stops below the previous low or the previous wick before the fair value gap. First trade, 2.1 to 1. Second trade, 1.25 to 1. And then we scale down finally once again after winning the 5 minute trade to the 1 minute. And we look for a 1 minute entry. And what do we see here? We see fair value gap down here. Gets tested. Bullish candle out. Enter. And that's a 2.52. I would have entered half positions on each of these, which is a total for me being 1.5%. Total for me would be about 1.5k risk. And doing this we can take all 3 positions at a 1.5k risk. Just leave the stops down here. Or we trail the stops to where from the 15-minute stops, then to the 5-minute position stops, then to the 1-minute position stops. And that took my risk from 1.5k to 470 while leaving. Sorry, let me actually show you. Let me be concise for you guys. Okay, so board in here. Stops here. Take profit. Up here. Okay. Scale to the 5-minute. Almost get stopped out. 5-minute fair value gap forms. Retest. Bullish candle out. Buy another half position here. 1.5k risk already because this stop loss is now further from when we initially entered. But we move stops to here, to where we would if we were trading in the 5-minute. And now we scale to the 1-minute from the 5-minute trade. Let price do its thing. What do we see? Oh, sorry, that was the 1-minute bullish candle close. Same level anyway. We're entering here. Off that 1-minute fair value gap right here. Bang, bang, bullish candle out. 5 positions, 5 contracts. We're at 1.1 now. And notice, we're now at 2.46. So we could leave stops there and have more than a 2-to-1. Or we move stops to where we would on the 1-minute. This is now essentially a 6-to-1. A 6-to-1. Let's get rid of these real quick. We haven't even hit take profit 1 yet. And we turn the initial 2.5 to 1 to a 5.38. And we cut our risk. We kept our risk the same. It's still roughly 500, 0.5% buy-in essentially. But now what do we see? Take profit 1 hit. And what we would do is we would scale out half. Bang. Sell half position. Stops a break even. We can't lose now. Second take profit hits. Bang. 1.9k from the 500 risk. It is riskier in the sense that your stop loss is now tighter. But it increases your win size and also same risk, essentially. So that's what we're going to backtest. That's what we're going to backtest. Where was yesterday's New York Open? Yesterday was a bit scary though because we just shot up. Honestly, we just shot up. Knew we were going for longs on both time frames. Hella long. Although technically a downtrend on the 1 hour. Okay, so we'll do 15 minutes. That's better for us because this works better on the 15 minute, I believe. We took out these lows. We broke structure to the upside with the 8:30 US candle. And then we made a 15-minute fair value gap that we, sorry guys, we retested and closed out of. So this is a, it's like, where would you put your stops, you know? We would buy in here. And then let's go hourly to look for take profit. Okay, so we have, we have a 1 hour confluence right here. 1 hour fair value gap. Take profit 1 would be the 50% mark of this. Take profit 2 would be the end of the fair value gap. And then we've got, what is this? Just a 1 hour high. Back to the 15. Oh no. We're in the trade. Okay. So now we scale down to the 5. Let's see if we can spot any confluences on the 5 minute. Oh, wait. Level 1 stops probably below that. Yeah. Okay, maybe it was worth. No, fuck it. We want to do it precise. We'll just backtest it. Okay, we're just entering off fair value gaps at this point because I don't know if we can do anything else really. Not really. Okay, we got a 5 minute fair value gap. Don't even test it. We've already closed half of our position off this, so let's sell 3 candles. What am I saying? 3 contracts. And it looks like we've already moved stops to break even. We will move down here so we can monitor price. 5 minute fair value gap touched. And bullish candle out. We would now buy 5 contracts here. And where would we put stops? Oh, jeez, probably not there. We've got the fair value gap here. Below the wick of the fair value gap, I guess. Tight stop loss. Great risk to reward. Let's see what happens. Oh wait, we go down to the 1 minute now. Look for 1 minute confluences to enter off, which, no, that was the 5 minute fair value gap. We're not going to enter off that. Right? Yeah, no. Although there's a 1 minute fair value gap. Visit. And bullish candle. Let's Right. We're back testing. Let's just do it. Bang. Buy in. Stops below previous level of the fair value gap. We've actually halved our risk. I can't even remember what the initial high was. We've already made 600, but I can't remember the initial 3.2k of a $300 risk. Now let's see that same trade if we entered off this. Oh, sorry. Let's monitor the risk and the reward. So buy in 5. Stops below that candle. I believe it was around there. And 1.5. Okay, so we turned into a 2.2k, but also halved our risk in the end. Very interesting. Oh wait, hang on. Fuck. Okay. Let's just take profit first and see what we get with this. That was it there. We sell 3, it was. And then let it run. 1200. We essentially more than doubled our reward while halving our risk. Guys, doubled. Oh fuck, we didn't even do our third take profit? I completely forgot about that one. Let's see if price went there. Slow. We would have been out. Crazy. Okay. Not bad. Halved our risk. Doubled our profit. To me, that is amazing. This was my trade last night here. Not last night, 2 nights ago. 3 nights ago. Okay, so let's just say we know my bias is bullish. I was trading off for 5 minutes. So let's see how we would do this off for 5 minutes. I think we can only do this once. We had a... Whoa. I think we really reached into some sort of fair value gap. And then we had definite breaker structure. Fair value gap form. Fair value gap form. Fair value gap form. Retest fair value gap. 5-minute candle closing out. We bought him here. Where did we have stops? We had him at, I believe we had him at liquidity. Real quick, sorry guys, I gotta go check my own fucking YouTube to make sure. And then let's mark out and say, what is up at CPI? So I was only doing a half. The absolute worst trader on fucking YouTube. Yeah. Who does he think he is? Mark because Bro thinks he's property. Today was up target for the next 5 and this. Oh, bro. Oh, brother, this guy stinks. Closed above the previous. It's not very well. So yeah, Okay, yeah, stops were at the week below the fair value gap. Okay, perfect. Not far at all. And
This, uh, actually, the still pretty bullish. We had little to learn how to
take profits were oh, okay. Take profits were just these here. Okay, guys, this might be rather quick. Okay, we're in the 5 minute. We're already in a trade, and now we go into the 1 minute to look for our re-entry. Okay, this is pretty standard, guys. Pretty standard. But we have a almost a 2-to-1. Not bad. No 1 minute confluences are being tapped into yet. Is that a fair value gap? It is. Disrespected. You don't trade that. Here we go. Here's some bullishness. Fair value gap form on the 1 minute. No revisit yet. No revisit yet. Okay, now we have to take partials. So we're going to sell 3. And our stops are a break even. Remember this, guys. Fair value gap form. Fair value gap form. Fuck. Fair value gap form. Alright. Ooh. We sold too much. Okay. Let's just pretend we sold here. Wait. No, we can sell 1 position. Okay. But we did sell too much before. Stops are a break even, guys. Remember this. Fair value gap formed. Fair value gap formed. Okay. Retest. Respect. Invalidation. Fair value gap formed. Retest. Bullish candle closing. Let's risk it for the biscuit. We five positions. And we move our Jesus Christ. All this for another 400 bucks. Okay, I wouldn't have done that here. We've got stops here, and okay, it did work. It did work. It did work. Let's try the day before because I don't think I traded. I don't think I liked price action that day. Let's just. So I didn't understand price action because we already had the liquidity sweep right here. We swept these lows, blah blah blah, and we started making a move up. Hourly, bullish, 4 hourly, bullish. So 5 minute trading, I guess. We had the 8:30 news. Then market open here, which was us touching into a fair value gap and going up. Yeah, I was confused because I didn't know if you could count market open candle, but like, why couldn't you, you know? So we'll buy in here. Stop loss. Below this low. Now we're starting to risk a bit more, so let's go for the 1 hour confluence areas. Like, got a 1 hour high here. 1 hour high here. Let's look at 15-minute highs, just in case. Okay, we've got one there. Ooh, I wouldn't take out 2 pieces of 1 hour highs. Let's just go that 15-minute. Okay. We've got like a 1.5 risk to reward at the moment. 5 minutes. We're in. We're going back now. Draw down, draw down. Oh wait, we're meant to be looking in the 1 minute. Sorry. I mean, we did come down and touch this, but I wouldn't have traded. Because I don't know. Oh shit, I probably should have traded, but okay. Fair value gap. 1 minute touch and extremely bullish reaction. Jesus Christ. I guess we're buying in here, and stops will be going here. A little bit better risk to reward than before. I don't know if I'd re-enter again off the 1 minute like this. Fair value gap, visit, no candle close. Sorry, no bullish candle close. Jesus Christ, the emotion that would be running through me in every single candle is that take proper 1 hit. Yes, it is. Okay. So we would scale out half our position. Oh. And move stops to break even. Just gonna leave them down here for now. We would have got stopped out. Would have got stopped out at break even. Which is perfectly fine. So they can take profit hit. Yeah, no, we would have got stopped out break even. But we made. Oh. I don't know. Guys, you decide. So you go find out. Go back like 10, 20 seconds. Look at this number. And that's how much I would have made. And now let's compare it to if I would have just traded off this candle. We bought in here. 5 contracts. It's all the way up here. So it goes down there. Bum. There we go. Was that it? Was that the one? Oh, so it was a 1 minute candle that we did that. Yeah, okay, so. Okay. Ah, yeah. Sorry, guys. 5 minute. Yes. It was a 9:30 candle, wasn't it? Okay. Let's test. Buy in. Another 1 minute. Where is that candle? There it is. Okay. And we sold 3? Was it 3 that we sold? I think so. 318. Okay, short backtest session. And that's all I got for you guys. Peace!